In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert SD card into Samsung Galaxy phone and mount SD card. So what you want to do is use a SIM tool to eject the tray on your Samsung device, then place the micro SD card into the designated slot and ensure it is flush within the tray, and then reinsert the tray firmly into the phone. Now what you want to do is open up your settings applications, go ahead and scroll down until you find device care. So that's going to be towards the bottom, it's going to be right above apps. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to see storage as one of the options. Now what you want to do from here is swipe left or tap the SD card icon at the top, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select mount. As a result, your files will now be accessible in the My Files app under SD card. So if you just go over to the My Files application, as you can see, I have my internal storage and USB storage one. This is where you're going to see your SD card, and then that's it, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.